All you're gonna do, put the cork in the top here, you put the bottle under here, make sure it's on this stand all the way.
Okay.
Sometimes people will do it and they'll be like that and they'll go to push down and they'll fly out and splatter.
Bad things happen.
So it's gotta be under there, there's a little lip, so if you're kinda trying to move it, it's stuck in a lip. You put a foot on here.
I've got to call you back about in the middle of the bottle and some wine over here at a wine. Give me a buzz back.
Uh-oh, that doesn't look good.
It should normally
Dan,
burn, but...
you want to...
What's up with that?
You just stick it on the top, slide it in for about 4 seconds, you'll see it shrink, and pull it right out.
Got it.
Okay? How's it going, you guys?
Okay, who wants wine?
I think we all do.
We will sell no wine before it's time. It's time! It's time!
Did it work? She's cooking bottle washer, Nikki. Hold the glass up. Lord have mercy. Oh, you're filming. I was good.